Have you ever wondered how a simple bar of soap is made? This everyday essential, responsible for cleanliness and hygiene, has a fascinating journey from factory to your hands. In this essay, we will uncover the secrets behind professional soap making, breaking down the process into easy-to-understand steps. As a bonus, we'll also provide a simple recipe for you to try at home. Get ready to lather up your knowledge about this essential item. The process of soap making, whether in a large factory or your kitchen, involves a magical blend of science and creativity. From selecting the right oils to adding unique fragrances, each step contributes to the final product's quality and character. So, let's dive in and explore the world of soap making. Professional soap making is a captivating blend of scientific precision and artistic flair. It all begins with selecting the finest oils and butter. Each oil, like coconut oil, olive oil, or palm oil, brings its own unique qualities to the soap. Coconut oil creates a rich lather, while olive oil offers gentle moisturizing properties. The heart of soap making lies in a process called saponification. This is where the magic happens. Oils are carefully combined with sodium hydroxide, commonly known as lye. Don't worry, the lye is completely neutralized during the process, making the final soap safe and gentle on your skin. Saponification transforms the oils and lye into soap, a process that generates heat and requires careful monitoring. Once saponification is complete, it's time for the artistic touch. Fragrances, essential oils, natural colorants, and botanicals are added to the soap mixture, creating a symphony of scents and colors. The possibilities are endless, limited only by the soap maker's imagination. Ready to embark on your soap making adventure? Here's a simple recipe to get you started. This recipe uses the cold process method, which is perfect for beginners. You'll need 10 ounces of coconut oil, 10 ounces of olive oil, 4.7 ounces of lye, 12.6 ounces of distilled water, essential oils or fragrances, optional, and natural colorants, optional. Remember, safety is paramount when working with lye. Always wear gloves and eye protection. Slowly add the lye to the water, stirring until it dissolves completely. Set aside to cool. In a separate bowl, gently melt the coconut oil and olive oil. Once both mixtures have cooled down, carefully combine them, stirring until the mixture reaches a light trace, similar to the consistency of pudding. Add your desired fragrances, essential oils, and natural colorants. Pour the mixture into a mold and let it sit undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. Unmold the soap and cut it into bars. Allow the bars to cure in a well-ventilated area for 4 to 6 weeks, turning them occasionally to ensure even drying. Section 4. Safety first. Precautions for a delightful soap-making experience. Before you begin your soap-making journey, it's essential to prioritize safety. Lye, a crucial ingredient in soap making, is caustic and requires careful handling. Always wear gloves and eye protection when working with lye to prevent skin or eye irritation. Ensure you work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling lye fumes. When mixing lye with water, always add the lye to the water, not the other way around, to prevent a potentially dangerous reaction. Keep a bottle of vinegar nearby to neutralize any accidental spills. With these safety precautions in place, you can relax and enjoy the creative process of soap making. Section 5. Embrace the lather conclusion. Soap making is an enchanting blend of science and art, transforming simple ingredients into luxurious cleansers. From the precise measurements in professional settings to the creative freedom of homemade batches, each bar of soap tells a story. As you lather up with your handmade creation, appreciate the ingenuity and artistry that went into its making. So why not embark on your soap-making adventure? Gather your ingredients, prioritize safety, and let your creativity flow. Share your soapy creations with friends and family, spreading the joy of handcrafted cleanliness. Who knows, you might just discover a hidden talent and a newfound appreciation for the magic of soap making.